By running Shopify for e-commerce and NetSuite for your back office, you've got two of the best business platforms on the market. The trick is to make them work together seamlessly so that your order, customer, inventory, and billing information is always synchronized and up to date. That's not going to happen if you manage orders manually and rekey information back and forth between Shopify and NetSuite. Maybe you've tried an entry-level integration connector, but it doesn't scale. It's unreliable, slow, incomplete, and difficult to manage, and that puts your revenue at risk. So, how do you make the most of Shopify and NetSuite to grow your e-commerce business? With Boomi, the world's cloud integration experts. Our pre-built integration for Shopify and NetSuite automates all of your core commerce processes with speed and precision. That way, you can focus on what matters, delighting your customers with the perfect order, improving your operational cost efficiency, and building out a world-class web store. When a customer buys a product on Shopify, Boomi routes that order to NetSuite for fulfillment and financial settlement. Then we update Shopify with the order confirmation details for your customer. When you update your inventory or product catalog in NetSuite, those changes are automatically reflected on your Shopify web store. And when you sell goods online, your inventory records update immediately. If you log point of sale or phone orders in Shopify, Boomi handles those as well, giving you true omni-channel commerce capabilities. There's another important point to consider. Unlike point solutions, Boomi lets you scale by connecting Shopify and NetSuite to other applications. If you want to bring in CRM, marketing automation, warehouse management, or other systems, Boomi has you covered. You can even manage B2B transactions with our electronic data interchange, or EDI solution. Growing your online business isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. That's what Boomi delivers for thousands of customers every day around the world. If you're ready to learn more, visit Boomi.com or call to speak with a Boomi integration expert today.